Hey everyone, it's Ryan Snow with Western Heating and Air. Today I want to talk to you about one of the most common problems that we encounter as service technicians during the summer months. Often we'll get a phone call from one of our clients and they'll say, I can hear the outside unit running and I can go to the supply vent and I can feel air coming out and it's cool, there's just not very much air. This could be an indication that your indoor coil that sits on top of your furnace is actually freezing up. It's turning into a big block of ice. And that's a problem. We don't want that to happen. So the first thing that you're going to want to do if you're worried about this is go to your thermostat, and there's a setting on there that'll say cool, heat, and off. You want to make sure you move that to the off setting. Let's get that outside unit to turn off. We don't want it running. We don't want to cause bigger problems. The next thing that you're going to want to do on that thermostat, there's a setting that says fan on and auto. Make sure it's in the on position. If we can get that air moving across that coil, it's going to help melt that ice much faster. Plus it's going to keep it so that as it does melt, we're not going to get any moisture down into the motor and the circuit board and cause bigger problems that way. So that'll really help us out as technicians. If we need to come out and take a look at it, we can have that ice off, makes it go much faster. There are two things that will cause that coil to freeze up. Number one, it's an airflow issue. We need to check that air filter. It's usually the biggest culprit. Sometimes it works fine from the winter months. We transition to the summer and the air conditioner is not working. Best way to tell, pull it out, hold it up to the light. If you can't see a lot of light coming through there, it's time to get rid of it. If it is clean and everything looks good, put it back in. And the next thing that we want to check are the vents. Let's make sure they're all open. Sometimes we want to shut them down during the winter. We want to try to get air to different parts of the house. Like I say, air conditioner just needs more air, so let's open them all up. Make sure there's nothing sitting in front of your cold air returns. A big issue there. Sometimes we put new furniture in front of it, and that can cause problems as well. If the airflow is good, you can't see any other issues that way. The second culprit that's going to cause this is it could be low on refrigerant charge. Sometimes they develop small leaks in them over the years, and even if it just gets a half a pound low, it can cause it to start freezing up. It's going to make your utility bills go high. It's going to cause issues that way. So if that's the issue, you're going to want a technician to come out and take a look at it, and hopefully you give us a try at Western Heating and Air. You can go to our website to find us, westernheatingair.com. We'd be glad to come out and take a look at it and make sure that we can get that system running great for you.